In 2015, archaeologists unearthed a 40,000-year-old flute in a German cave crafted from mammoth ivory. This ancient instrument, found in the Swabian Jura region, challenges our understanding of early human creativity. The flute's intricate design suggests that music played a vital role in social bonding and cultural expression among early humans. This discovery highlights the importance of music in human evolution, revealing that our ancestors engaged in complex artistic activities much earlier than previously thought. Like, comment, and subscribe for more archaeological wonders like this.